YouTube. FarmerTec MS200t kit. I'm redoing a video that I did yesterday on the case PreAssembly. One of my viewers, Daniel, pointed out to me that I had the wire run wrong. He thought, and at first I mean, I'd looked at this thing so hard, maybe I just didn't want to admit it myself, but I went and looked at the manual, which is my Bible. I mean, I try to, these kits are fun to do, and rather than me winging it, I'd rather understand how the saw's built. So rather than coming up through here, it goes straight across. I never noticed that hole, and I should have. So from just looking at this side, of course that's the clutch side, then the oiler would be up here. So this runs under the oiler. I'm going to go with that, because if I run it up through here, there's going to be from there to there. We're losing it. I would be losing an inch and a half if I continued. I don't think it would hurt anything to go across the top, other than this not being long enough. But as I said before, that would be a booger to have to fish. In this, all you'd have to do is, to replace this on down the road, is at the very least pull that grommet off, pull it back, push that through, because there's no grommet on this side. It just pushes straight through. There's not enough room in there to do it. So thanks, Daniel. I appreciate you pointing that out. I'm glad that that you did. And when I got the manual out and started reading it, rereading it, I mean, I can't believe I missed that hole. But I guess what I was doing was paying so much attention to the other side of the case, as far as, the routing of the wire. Okay, so, thanks. Now, we had Michael come through today. Big storm. I don't know if, FedEx and everybody ran right, but the mail did run, and I got an OEM manifold. Can you see that? Holy moly. It's bigger. So would that have anything to do with, with it melting? I don't know. I really don't know. But that was certainly a surprise. So huge difference. So I guess taking it slow, and these things are revealing itself rather now, versus later, which I welcome now. Okay, YouTube. Thank you. And maybe I can proceed tomorrow, because when I spoke yesterday with the dealership, and they did some tracking, and they said that it was, you know, supposed to be there this morning or today at noon, and you know, with the weather, I don't know whether it threw them back or not, but I'm sure I'll hear from them tomorrow, and we can get started. It makes more sense, doesn't it? Okay, all right. If you haven't already, just down there and hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. Bye.